Hey, hello, and welcome. I'm Laura, and today I want to show you something different that you can do with Canva AI. It can be used for so much more than just creating content or asking it questions. Now, one of the things it can actually do in Canva is it can crop your images for you, so you don't even have to upload your image and crop it yourself. You can get Canva AI to do it for you. So I'm going to show you how you do that today. Right, so here we are over on my Canva account, and I want to show you how to crop an image in AI. It's very simple, but it's just one of those things that could be very, very useful. So I'm going to head over to Canva AI on the left-hand side, and I've got my text box has now come up to put my prompt into. But first of all, I actually want to upload an image. So underneath here, where you have your five options, make sure you are on image. Select the square so you can upload your photo, upload. And I'm just going to upload one where there's me in the background. So I'm quite far in the background of this image. And I'm going to ask it to please crop this photo so the person is the focal point and make the image square. So I'd like it to be square and I want myself to be the focal point of the image. At the moment, I'm quite far back and it is landscape. So I want to change it. I've got the option to change the quality of the photo here, but I'm going to leave it. And it's changed the aspect ratio to 1:1. So you can select it here or you can tell it in the prompt. Either way, it doesn't matter. But I also have the option of changing the photo style. But I'm going to leave, or actually, let's go crazy and click pop art and change the style of the image as well as the focal point and the size. Let's hit submit and see what Canva does. So now it's thinking about it. As you can see, the original photo is at the top. I am quite far in the distance and I want to bring myself forward and be the focal point. It's creating me a nice square. Oh, it hasn't really put the pop art style into it. It's made it square. Oh, now it's adding the pop art style transformation. So it's created the photo as a square first. Now it's giving me one that gives it the pop art style. Let's see what it does. I do like that though. That has really brought me forward and center in the photo. And there we go. It has given me a pop art style. Oh my goodness, that's quite fun actually. I really like that. And it says I've created your square pop art style image with you as the focal point. It has a bold, vibrant pop art aesthetic with bright colors, graphic treatment, and the characteristic comic book style. I do like it. It's very fun and funky. But as you can see, I've now got one prompt, one image, and it has created me two brand new images from that. So I've now got two different graphics or two different images that I can use on my socials. And that's just using Canva AI in a slightly different way to the usual asking it questions. So I hope you've liked that. I hope you do go and have a play with photos and Canva AI and see what you can do with yours. So that's it from me. I'm Laura. I am a certified Canva community trainer. I love bringing Canva focused based videos for you, especially for small businesses, because I think Canva is the perfect tool for all business owners to be using. That's it from me. I'm Laura. Please do make sure you come and follow my channel for all of my new videos that are coming very, very soon.